What's up, guys? It's a rainy day out. Got the Humvee stuffed up inside of the barn. It's very tight, as you can see. Not much room. I have to kind of walk around, and I've got junk everywhere because I've been trying to clean this place out. Got everything just thrown everywhere. There's stuff on top of the saw and all that. But anyways, I'm figured it was time to make a video of this cool little tool that I used to use when I worked at the air conditioning plant. And Aaron's dad, when he died, I got some of his tools. Well, pretty much all of his tools. He had some of this tool. I'm going to post a video here right now. So to order one, you can go into Google and search and find them other places, but they have them right here on the aMAYSing app. If you type in fin comb, hit the go, and it will bring up a list of all these different fin combs. I'm going to select this first one right here. If I can get the right there. And I'm going to end up using these right here, but I have one of these somewhere. I can't find it, or I would show it because I probably got the correct fin count. So I'm going to go back over here, but that's how you order these things. Different sizes here. The brushes for cleaning and stuff. But it's just different tools, and I just thought you guys would like to know where to order it at. So go order that tool, and then you can fix your AC coils and your transmission cooler fins with that tool. I'm going to flip around here and show you guys. This is my trans cooler, and this is the tool that I have. This one is 17 threads per inch. I measured it out. I'm not sure how you measure it properly, but I measured it out, and it seems to be like 10 threads, 10 fins per inch. And then there's different ones, like this red one is 18, and these purple ones are 23 and 24. So you can see back when we did air conditioning stuff, we'd tape them together. That way we could cover a lot more area with them, the purple and those. This is the closest one that I have, and I'm not trying to make this thing 100% beautiful, but I figured I would hop on here and show you guys real quick how to use it. This is the little rake side, and then that's a rake too. So 16. Oh, I just noticed. So this one has 17 on this side and 16 on this side. I wonder if the other ones are that way. 21 and 22, 23 and 24, 18 and 20. So I didn't even notice that. I haven't been into the Rheem air conditioning factory since I was like 19, 20 or somewhere around there. But anyways, I'm going to use the 16 per inch right here, and I'm going to show you guys how it does. Now, this is pretty rough, and it's probably not going to fix it 100%, but we're going to shoot for it and try. And you just rake it down through it. Kind of hard to do it in video. So, disappeared. All it's going to do is just make it a little bit better. You know, as a kid, you'd get out there at the air conditioning unit and write your name in it and all that stuff. So, just sit here and rake all of it. Like I say, some of it's pretty bad. And if this tool was the correct one for the fins per inch, it would come out. But I just wanted to share that with you guys and make a quick little video on work. But more or less, I wasn't really coming here to show you guys that. I was just coming to hop in and say, I love you guys. I'm praying for you and hope to be back soon. God bless you all. I'm out. Then again, I love you guys. See ya.